So I got the front end right here. Today's job is gonna be to get it on the Crown Vic. That's today's job. So I got the front end right here. I'm finna put it on the car and mock it up. Alright, so we're mocking up the front end. Still gotta trim it. I just unbolted the factory Crown Vic crash bar or whatever it is that goes in front of this to get closer to where it has to bolt up. So it's looking. You fucking record. Alright, update. The whole front end's missing. Just got the 2 frame rails on each side. Does it look?
Looks like there's something missing. It's like the front end's missing.
From the front end. Alright, so now I need to mark where the frame's at so I know where to cut on the Ford F150 or F100 cross members. So I know where to cut. I'm gonna use spray paint to give me a guideline. Hey, what happened to
Yeah, you ain't gonna be able to mark it like that.
It's another way. This bare metal. Alright, so we marked the core support out and we're gonna be trimming that. And now we're gonna be marking the frame rails so we can trim those as well. I'm back at it with the grinder. Alright, I have the line marked out for where I'm gonna cut the frame. I already went ahead and cut this side. Came out fairly straight. Don't mind the other line, that was just a rough sketch. Came out pretty straight. You gotta be careful. You got these lines right here. Now I'm gonna cut the other side. Both sides cut off. Now I'm test fitting the front end piece, the front clip. Now she's up in there. The old piece I cut off. I'm gonna try out the fender now, see how far or if it's already where it needs to be. What you think? Pretty much got the front end all mocked up. Now, still need some adjustment. Make sure that the gap is good, and I still need to make sure that's good. But right now it's just floating. So I need to create a mount. This was the factory Crown Vic mount. I'm gonna cut it and modify it. Basically mount it here, and just roll the tab off of the core support off the truck so it can mount. I'm gonna trim these so they can fit right there. I'll show you what I come up with. Alright, so this is what I came up with. Use the factory mount of the Crown Vic, just moved it back. It's not even welded, it's just sitting in place. This is the bracket that's gonna be holding the core support. Still gotta cut it out, make it out of metal. I'll be doing that for both sides. I'm trying to cut it out. So here's the template I need to cut out. This is what it looks like extended. I'm gonna just draw it out, cut it out. I'm gonna make 2 and then I'm gonna go ahead and bend them to the shape. It should look like this once it's done. Like so. Yeah, I'm gonna make it out of metal. Alright, so check it out. That's already bent. Still got to get cleaned up and, you know. But for the most part, that's how it turned out. Already bent. Just how it should look. It's just missing the, I need to go buy a nut so I can put on there. That's how it should look. The rest of the engine bay. You let me know. Does it look good? And I just gotta weld it up. But I'm about to bend the other side, so I'll do that and then I'm gonna probably make sure the front end's mocked up in place and then I'll go ahead and weld it. Alright, so update. I already went ahead and aired up the truck and I mocked up the front end how I wanted it. Right here, the door looks like it's not lining up, but that's the door. That's not properly aligned, but the gap is good, so we're gonna roll with it like that. I already went ahead and teched it. My welder ran out of argon, so we got ugly boogers, welds. But just tack for now. She's sturdy. That's how I did it. Plenty of ways y'all could do it, but I did it like that. I reused the crown Vic mount. Just made my own bracket for the core support. I also had to cut the frame. I cut it back 4 inches and then just notched it out. Still had to trim out the core support. If you notch it 5 inches, that's where the mark's at for 5 inches. It probably clears. So, in case y'all want to do it. That's how it sits.